Here's another great RV from family-owned Campbell RV of Southern Florida.
Hi guys, my name is Mallory and I'm here today to show you the Cherokee Limited-304RK.
This RV is representative of the floor plan made by this manufacturer. It was shot at a national RV show. The features, options, colors, fabrics, and specifications may be different from the RV.
This walkthrough video
inventory.
is designed
Please
to quickly
consult the
show
dealer's
you the
inventory for
basic
actual
layout and
details
features
on
of this
this
RV. If you're viewing it on our website, you'll find all the specifications right below this screen. But the best way to view this beautiful unit is to put yourself in it. Stop by today and see and feel the difference when you're treated like family. Now, like a brochure, this video is only a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. Just like a home, there are many variations of every RV made. Features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications may be different from one RV to the next. So, it's important to contact us right here at Campbell RV for actual details about this floor plan. We'd love to help you find just the right RV. While watching this video, take note of the innovative ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage and practicality. But there are many features not shown, and we also don't have the time to show all of them in this short video. You really must come in and see this RV to fully appreciate all that this Campbell RV has to offer. Here at Campbell, we've teamed up with Forest River, Thor, ATC, and Heartland to make your family's RV dreams become a reality. We know you'll be impressed with our knowledgeable sales staff and our walk-in parts department, plus the top-selling floor plans. To be the first to see the latest in RVing, be sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please give us a call at Campbell RV. We're here to help.